Hey guys, this is Zulfa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Nowadays, I am learning filmmaking. I am learning different skills which will help you to make my short film. I already discussed that I will be making 2 of the short films. The idea is ready, but right now I am just stressed out, a little bit confused what to do next. Because when you are doing something new, right, you will find challenges. The circumstances won't be suitable for you, but still you need to work towards your dream. Similarly, I am not talking about just about my work of making short films. There might be some other work which you are involved currently, which is new to you, and you won't find it convenient yet to go with it. So same is the case with me. So I am right now stuck with some of the things which will help me to create this short film. I have researched so much regarding the making of short film, how a short film can be made independently, just with a one person and with very low budget. Because my budget is also not very. I am not having DSLR camera or any other high tech stuff, but still, I have a plan, and in my mind there are visuals which I will be using in my short film. I will be making the outline of the short film, the script of the short film. I will be visualizing myself what will happen in my short film, and in that way I will progress. So that's what I am saying. When you are just starting something new, you need to visualize, sorry, as if it has already happened, and you have already received or you have already manifested the end result. Don't worry about the how process, but just go with the process each and every day, right? So I also learned video editing. Yesterday I was learning video editing from VSDC, the same editor which I am using. But right now I am so much stressed and I am having so much difficulty in uploading the videos. Why? Because my Jio Wi-Fi is now stopped, and now only I am focusing on Jio internet, that is recharge one. So in the right now, that's the reason I am uploading in Action Director app and not through VSDC video editor app. Because when you upload large file in VSDC, it will take time, and editing it also will be taking time. So I am not using that VSDC, and I am currently using this Action Director, which is the app in mobile, and you can directly use that to create videos, to export it and to upload it. And upload also requires data, because when you make a new video, it usually takes 419, 420, 450 MB. So that much data is already utilized while creating the video if it is a 5-minute video. So in that way I am manipulating myself in so many ways right now. But my focus is my dream. My focus is my goal. Not about the circumstances, not about the hindrances or obstacles that comes in my dream of achieving goal. But my goal is here. It is already fixed and it will manifest. Other goal which I am having and which I am planning are so many, but right now I am focusing on this, just making a short film and just writing another ebook. I already written 2 of the ebooks, and I am in the plan of writing a 3rd ebook, and I will be writing more ebooks as I get more knowledge, as I need to learn more about the stuff, or the stuff which I am already knowing, right? So in that way you need to improve yourself each and every day. Don't worry about any other thing, just focus on your goal and try to achieve it each and every day, whatever may be the circumstances, obstacle, hindrance, anything, any damn thing happening with you, right? So this was just a short talk regarding what I am currently doing and what I will be looking forward. Other thing which I am trying to do is I am just making my studio, my YouTube studio, where I will be uploading the videos. It is at home, and I am planning to make that studio type thing. In that also I am doing DIY work. I am just making my lights and camera stuff and tripod. I am currently working on it, and I will be uploading the videos now at home. I don't know, but I have a plan that I will be doing this studio related stuff to get more enhanced clarity and enhance video experience and enhance knowledge and enhance insight. A great thing, right? So I am sharing this to you all regarding my plans. Editing requires a lot of time. It is not a easy going task. Similarly, making videos, but I have a plan, I have a goal, so I am working towards it each and every day, and I am making 100% effort to reach to that goal, to achieve to that goal, right? When you believe, when you act, and when you receive, this is the three-step process: believing, acting, and receiving. When you are believing in your goal and when you are acting towards it, then you will definitely receive the results. So I hope this helps. I hope this helps. If you want to achieve any goal or result into your life, right, do not give up on your dreams. Chase your dreams. Life is very much small. Time is also limited. So make the correct use of time. Don't waste the time on the people that don't love you, on the people that doesn't matter you in your life. Let go of all the negative people. Let go of all the people who no longer serve you, right? So this was the message from my end. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. We can become whatever we want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.